Should I eat the kitsune? Yes or no? If yes, I can eat it. If no, I am not gonna eat. Or maybe equals I should still eat it. No means no equals no more eating kitsune. Just dragon now. Daan, super daan, tupar, da, sakala, skibidi toilet. Bye.